Okay, here's a question that is kind of interesting. It seems pretty straightforward, but it does take a little bit of thinking as far as exactly how it's going to be set up. So it tells us the price of grapes per pound. It tells us the price of apples per pound. And we know how much this person spends, very precise number before tax. So we're not having to think about sales tax. And but then she buys only grapes. I mean, that makes sense. Like if you go to the store, there's prices on everything, but that doesn't mean you buy one of everything, right? So, okay, she only buys grapes. How many pounds did she buy? Okay, so let's think about that. Does the 385 a pound come into play here? Like, are we going to use that at all? And you're thinking about a word problem, sometimes they're really far-fetched and it's very hard to do, but try to put yourself into it. Like, okay, if I spend $25.06 and I only bought grapes, what does that mean? So it means I didn't buy any apples. So apples are not part of the equation, right? The $1.79 per pound per almost always means times. And we're going to put times X because we're going to like figure that out, right? If you wanted to use the letter P for pounds, whatever you want to do. So she spends $1.79 for every single pound, and then her total is $25.06. So that's it. So you're just going to divide both sides by $1.79 and get what you get, right? And so that value will tell you how many pounds that she bought. So calculator time, right? Let me bring that in. Let me move my video over. Okay, so we've got 2506. I'll clear this out. 25.06 divided by 1.79. Doesn't it come out nice and clean? How nice. All right. She bought exactly 14 pounds of grapes. Yeah, let me get this where we can see the question again. All right. So I would say 14 pounds there. Okay. All right. Hope that helps you to solve a very similar problem. And I will see you next time.